Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection, but I wanted to share with you what I'm finding up in this attic here. But basically what I wanted to share with you is not so much the attic, but the going up into it. And you see I got this old wallpaper right here, and I got the old plaster paint. Well, this home's probably about 90 plus years old. So this house actually, this drywall that you see has been definitely put in after the fact. It's actually just going around the chimney. But what I wanted to share with you is not so much that, but this has got formaldehyde in it, asbestos in it, lead in it. I mean, with age of this house, that was just common. And you see it deteriorating like this, and then of course it's a chase, so it's actually creating a space where water, air can just suck right up and through here and down. You can even see my dust webs even being movement right now. Well, this is something you need to be watching out for. This could be hazardous. Now, I don't know absolutely if this is, but I bet it is. But I do have to recommend that it'll be tested. So anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. If this has been educational for you, helpful, hey, hit like and subscribe, share with your friends. This is Galloway Building Services. We'd love to help you if you ever need any building inspections done, new, used, or brand new construction. We're here for you. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.